Today I will show you how to install VS Code in Manjaro. So there are two options. First, we can use our terminal like sudo pacman nice code and enter our sudo password. And here is this is 55 MB large file. So I will press, for now I press no, because I will show you another option. So there is Pacman manager, and here you should type code, and the first option, and after that this option code, this is the Visual Studio. It is official repo in Manjaro. You can also use this version 1.51.1, and in AUR project we can use, this is the bin version. Yes, here we should type yes out, and same version is here, so no difference. So I will use terminal because it's very easy. So type this command and press enter, press yes, and it will start installing. So it's install a dependency which is required for VS Code. Now our VS Code is installed. For check, we can command this code and it will open VS Code. So here you can see this is a VS Code. Here is the all extension. Here we can log in our account. So they are extension. So it's very easy installing Manjaro. So let's go.